Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, power moonroof, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.